Hi, my name is Adam Sinclair.
And I'm Aidan O'Regan.
And we are associates in the Funds and Investment Management practice area of the Maples Group. We are Irish practicing lawyers and members of the Irish team based in the Hong Kong office. In this episode, called Viewpoint Irish Team Hong Kong, we will provide you with a high-level update on developments in the Irish legal and regulatory market. Having an Irish qualified funds and investment management team in Hong Kong allows us to offer Irish legal advice within a convenient time zone to the Asia-Pacific region, and enables us to efficiently service the growing financial services sector in Asia. This offering is unique among Irish law firms, making us hugely attractive to clients and intermediary law firms working on large-scale transactions with an Asian component. For the last number of years, investors globally have been making increased allocations to real assets, including private equity, venture capital, credit, real estate, and infrastructure. The story in Asia is no different. Asia-Pacific focus funds raised by both global and regional managers are sitting on record levels of dry powder that will fuel investment activity in the region for years ahead. Meanwhile, fundraising for Asia-Pacific focus funds continues. While China remains dominant in deal volume, some institutional investors are altering their allocations from China, and we are seeing increased interest in investments in Japan, Southeast Asia, and India. With this in mind, I will now hand you over to my colleague Aidan, who will briefly discuss Ireland's new flagship partnership structure, the Investment Limited Partnership.
Thanks, Adam. We continue the Viewpoint series by taking a brief look at the Irish Investment Limited Partnership, or ILP, and in particular, how it can be deployed successfully in Asia. As Adam mentioned, there is increasing interest in the APAC region for investment opportunities. Typically, the choice vehicle when raising a closed-ended fund is a limited partnership, and for managers looking to raise capital from investors located in Europe to invest in Asia, the Irish ILP is a useful tool. In recent years, the Irish government has modernised and enhanced the existing Irish ILP legislation to ensure Ireland's continued competitiveness as a global fund domicile, while also providing European and non-European investors with a highly regulated product suitable for investing in private assets. The ILP is a common law partnership that is constituted pursuant to a limited partnership agreement entered into by one or more general partners and an unlimited number of limited partners. An ILP is subject to authorisation by the Central Bank of Ireland. ILPs are commonly structured as qualifying investor alternative investment funds, meaning that the minimum commitment from qualifying investors is €100,000, and the partnership is regulated but not subject to any investment restrictions. Where such ILPs appoint an EU AIFM, they can avail of the Pan-EEA marketing passport to distribute the ILP across the EEA. An ILP can also be widely distributed outside of the EEA in accordance with relevant private placement regimes and local securities laws. Another selling point for an ILP quaif is its speed to market. The ILP can avail of the Central Bank of Ireland's enhanced 24-hour authorisation process, provided that all service providers are approved in advance by the Central Bank of Ireland. Another key point to note is the ability for managers to choose an official name in a different script and register that alternative name with the Central Bank of Ireland. This allows fund managers to make their products available to as wide an investor base as possible by being able to brand an ILP in the local language. This avoids any disconnect between the official and translated name and works well with branding. This is a very attractive feature for managers looking to tap into pools of sovereign and institutional wealth in Asia and the Middle East.
Thanks for that, Aidan. If you would like more information on the ILP structure in Ireland, please reach out to your usual Maples Group contact, or alternatively, please contact Aidan or myself. That concludes this episode of Viewpoint from the Irish team in Hong Kong. We look forward to bringing you our next update from Hong Kong in due course.